Good morning, class 7. How are you guys doing? I guess you all are doing great, fine, happy, strong, eating well, and sleeping well, and hunting your dreams. You must be knowing why I said hunting your dreams because all of you I have given names, and you all remember that. So, one of my best few names I know my tiger, my cheetah, Shera, and great guys. And girls we have the Jhansis of Rani, the Rani of Jhansi, and whatever names are there. So I miss you guys. So I have been with you for 1 year now. It's already 4 months I'm without you. So that's really sad at times, but what can we do? We can't help it. So I hope you all are doing fine, great, and safe. And I pray to God every day. All of you are in my prayers. All over Bihar children and all over the world children I pray for because children are the most beautiful creation of God in this world, having children. So, and I'm proud to have so many children. So that's really great. And I have this great connection with you guys because I have been your class teacher, and it's great to have known you. And you all are different. Each of you are jewels and diamonds, sparkling diamonds, but different type of diamonds, and I love it to have the interaction with you guys. I miss you all. That's really great, but we can't help it, so I have to go ahead. But I guess time is coming. Good times are coming. We are going to meet at school. So today we are doing my English folder again, and that is course book, and that's we are on page 52 and 53. It's called the Cradle Song by our Sarojini Naidu. So I just want to tell you, she was the Nightingale of India, a child prodigy, Indian independence activist and poet. She was one of the first Indian women to become president of the Indian National Congress and the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh. First woman to become the president of Indian National Congress, INC, and become the first woman governor of India of state Uttar Pradesh. She was a great patriot and activist, politician. She could speak very well, orator and administrator. Of all the famous women of India, Mrs. Sarojini Devi Naidu's name is at the top. Not only that, but she was truly one of the jewels of the world. She is one of the most famous heroines of the 20th century. Her birthday is celebrated on Women's Day. Early life, she was born in Hyderabad. Sarojini Chattopadhyay, later Naidu, belonged to a Bengali family, and she married a person from Hyderabad, so she was titled Naidu. Okay. So this is all about her. Basically, information. So the cradle song. Why is it called a cradle song? Children are put in a cradle, that swing, small type of bed which got hooks and all on both the sides. So, when does the cradle song come? When the mother or the grandma or the auntie or the sister gives those lullaby songs to put the child asleep. They are called lullabies. Very famous ones we have. Your mother must be, if you ask your mother, she'll tell you. Famous, it's coming down from generations, that one type song for children to sleep. Sometimes some children like few songs that they feel like listening and they like it and they go off to sleep listening to it. I have a very past, very memory of my son used to sleep. I used to hear a lot of songs in my car. I used to drive, and my son used to always be there with me. So wherever I used to go, I used to take him with me, because my wife was also working and she used to be out. So my son used to be a lot with me. So I used to drive around. I have to keep him in my car. I used to always keep him in that baby seat. I had kept one extra seat. I used to strap him up with the seat belt and all. And he used to sit there. He used to also listen to what I'm listening, and he used to go off to sleep. Now I wondered. One day my song was off and he kept on being awake. And he was like, I was doing my work in the car, talking on my mobile, and he was getting irritated. Wherever I'm stopping, I'm getting down and I'm talking with someone, or someone is sitting. I used to generally have my contacts and all my work done in my car so that I don't leave my son around. And he was awake one whole day. Then one of my friend, he used to be also there quite a lot with me. He said, why don't we keep the song on? When the song is on, we have noticed that he stays quiet. So I put on the song again the next day. And yes, he goes off to see. I had that favorite, there was selective songs in my car. And I was a very huge fan at that time of John Abraham. Still I am. And there was one movie, Karm. And there was a beautiful song of Priyanka Chopra was she was filmed on that song, and I used to love that song, and he used to listen to it also in my car. My first thing, my car will start and that song will start. I have to listen to that song, and he used to also listen. He used to fall asleep. So that was a lullaby type of kind of thing for him. So I got into that habit. I came to know that he sleeps with this song, so I kept that song in my music system at my home also. Right at night time, if I want to do some work and he has to sleep, if he's keeping awake, so I have to put on that song and pat his head or back, he'll go off to sleep. So this is a lullaby, a cradle song. For children, a song is very fluid. They feel very restful. They feel that feeling that someone is there, and if the hand stays on the body and the mother is caressing the head or something, and she keeps on talking and singing that song, the child will go off to sleep. It's a cradle song. Okay, so I'll come back in the next video and explain the rest. Till then, just wait.